an agreement had been reached and that it was a question of kind of circulating the paperwork.
That's
Um,
correct.
I have not yet seen this order in my queue. That is to say, unless I'd already previously signed it. But Mr. Lewis, can you update the court on the paperwork from
Yes.
your firm's point of view?
Happy to. We have attempted to send the agreed journal entry and have it returned multiple times according to the notes, and it has not yet come back to our office. So I'm sorry, say again. I thought
I
she was talking to me. I apologize.
I
Um,
scanned it in my email the day I got it, and I never got a call back saying I didn't send it.
well, that's wonderful to hear. I appreciate that. You letting us know, but if it is in our system, it hasn't percolated to us, and that happens. But the
I'm
fact that
terrible with technology, so maybe
so
I
am I.
did it wrong.
It's okay.
Um,
But what
I
I would
do have it at home right now. I'm at work.
Yeah, yeah.
Um,
Well, what I would
but
ask, simply because we have time is obviously of the essence, and we'd rather have
yeah,
this matter closed than keep it dragging on, is
because
and
I paid
send
it off, right? It's paid off, right?
no, no,
How
not
much do I owe
quite.
left?
Uh, do you want me to say it on an open line? Are you comfortable with that?
Yes. Tell me how much
Okay.
because I can pay it off today.
Oh,
I'm
that'd
pretty
be
sure.
wonderful. That okay. So, total with everything is 236.77.
Yeah. I can I can call you when we're done here and just pay it off, Mr.
Um,
Sir.
this is for Free State, not yeah. Now, when you do call in to make the payment, and I hope you will, because it'll be one thing off your plate. Uh, the person to whom you speak is obliged by their training to inform you that you do have other matters to contend with, but that would wrap this one up and
Yeah.
this one would be done. But regardless, since you are in fact admitting, and since we do not yet have the agreed judgment, even though you have just told us that you're going to call and pay in full, I'm grateful for that and hope you do that the moment this is over. For the record, we would ask the judge to go ahead and enter judgment so that part of this is done.
Okay.
If in fact you
This is
do call,
done.
and Judge, to be honest with you, I don't know that it may be necessary to immediately enter judgment, but
Well, I think I appreciate your proposal to the extent that if Miss Mason, like me, has trouble with technology, and if she's already sought to approve the journal entry and she has seen that entry and acquiesces to same, we might save a step if that document is somehow lost in cyberspace forever to be able to formally close this case from a paperwork perspective by virtue, Ms. Mason, if you're comfortable with it, of Mr. Jarvie just submitting an order directly to the court, not requiring your signature, indicating that you have agreed on the record that the proposed journal entry is correct.
Yeah, if I just get the phone number of who I need to give my debit card number to, I'll just pay it off
absolutely.
in
You
full
let me know
today.
when you're ready.
Let me go find a pen because if I click out of this, it will shut
Okay.
me in. So let me go find a pen. Give me a
Sure.
minute.
Okay.
Please
Thank you
take
so
your
much,
time.
ma'am.
Okay.
And that's wonderful. I'm glad you're going to take care of this. That'll be one thing off your plate.
Okay. So when it's paid off, will they send me like paperwork saying
Oh,
it's paid off?
yes. Yes,
Do
you
I need to
absolutely.
mail it in to anybody or will it just be good to go?
Well, let me put it this way. If you're able to make the payment over the phone, it'll be done at that point in time. If
Okay.
it's something that you have to mail a check in, they'll take those arrangements with you. And then let me put it this way. Once the payments are in our client's hands or our hands for our client, a dismissal of the matter will be entered, and you'll be given a copy of the dismissal so you know it's over.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you so much.
All right.
And you can call in as quickly as you want to, because, as you heard the judge say, judgment is going to be entered against you. And if you don't call in, and this is not a threat, this is just letting you know the reality of the situation. If you don't call in quickly to pay it off, interest begins to accrue. So it's just a matter of saving a few dollars.
As soon as I hit the end button here, I'm calling.
Wonderful. Thank you so much.
Well, have a great weekend, and you may hit that end button. And I hope you have a great weekend. And if you could please, Mr. Lewis, maybe, and I don't know, Ms. Balin, if you want to make this a breakout room or how you want to handle it, but I wanted to give you an opportunity, Mr. Lewis, just to make sure my colleague had the correct information
Yes,
before the
absolutely.
forwarding of that bond in the earlier case.
Yes, thank
Okay.
you.
So
All
I'm
right.
good.
You're
You're
good.
welcome.
Thank you,
From
ma'am.
my perspective, thank you so
Wonderful.
much.
Toodaloo.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
All right. And